Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to share a playlist on Spotify. Whether you're sharing your ultimate workout mix with a friend or your favorite chill vibes with family, this quick guide will have you sharing in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Spotify app open on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, head over to your library. That's the tab where all your saved music, albums, and playlists live. It's usually at the bottom of the screen on mobile or on the left sidebar on desktop. Now, find the playlist you want to share. It could be one you've created or even a public one you've saved. Tap or click on it to open it up. Once the playlist is open, look for the three little dots. That's the menu icon, usually next to the playlist name or at the top right corner. Give that a tap or click. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for Share and select it. Boom! You'll see a bunch of ways to share your playlist, like copying a link, sending it via text, email, or even directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter. If you're on the mobile app, you might also see options to share to other apps installed on your device. For example, if you choose to copy the link, you can paste it anywhere, maybe in a group chat or an email. If you're sharing on social media, Spotify will generate a neat little post for you. Easy peasy. One quick tip: make sure your playlist is set to public if you want others to access it easily. You can check that in the playlist settings under those same three dots. If it's private, only people with the link can see it, which is great for keeping things exclusive. And there you have it. Sharing your Spotify playlist is straightforward and takes less than a minute. Give it a try and spread the music love. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.